Today we learn past perfect. We use past perfect to talk about an action that happened earlier in the past. The first action happened earlier. This is the past perfect structure. We often use past perfect with before. We can also use after. Past perfect shows what happened first.